Welcome back guys, my name is Chris, and today we're going to be breaking down the steps to buying a home. We've broken them down into 5 steps, but we have made the steps a little bit more broad to make it easier to take in. So starting us off with step number 1 is to understand if you're mentally and financially ready to become a homeowner. This is important because if you don't mentally believe you're ready to become a homeowner, it's going to make it a lot more difficult when it comes to putting in offers on homes. That is why we make this step number 1 of our home buying process. Now, as far as the financial part, you just have to make sure you clear up most of your debt. It does not have to be 100% cleared, but it is recommended to bring down most of your debt. That way, when it comes to your debt income ratio, a loan officer can work with that easier than if you have high amounts of debt. And you will feel like you can afford a home without having to drown in debt. Now, step number 2 is going to be find out how much you can afford. For this step to best serve you and your personal situations, I would recommend to talk to a loan officer or a lender. Either or works perfectly fine. That way they can break down your finances with you, and if there's any problems that occur between that process, they can help you figure out a solution for that. If you have an agent or if you know an agent, I recommend you reach out to them, ask if they have a preferred lender. Most of the times agents do have a lender they like to work with. Agents work with lenders all the time, so more than likely your agent will have somebody they can refer you to who can help you in your situation. For step 3, it's time to get out there and start looking at homes. So now that you have your pre-approval, you know your range that you can start looking at homes. So with that in mind, you want to start looking for homes in your price range. As soon as you find a home that you really like, I recommend you reach out to your agent. That way they can get you in there as soon as possible. There is currently a shortage of homes, so this process may take a little longer than normal. In this step, if you like a home, don't be afraid to put offers on them. You're going to miss every home that you don't put an offer in, and your agent should definitely help you with this part. For step number 4, your offer's been accepted. So after multiple homes, multiple offers, your offer finally gets accepted and you get into escrow. So now this is the period where you start to do your investigations. You can start doing your inspections, your appraisals, everything like that. Most of this step is taken up with signing paperwork on your end, but your agent should be able to take care of everything for you. If you need help with inspections, ask your agent. More than likely they know somebody who can come out there and work. And step number 5 is enjoy your new home. Escrow has now closed, the keys have been delivered. All that's left is for you to enjoy your home that you've just purchased. Now that we've broken down the 5 steps to buying a home, all that's left is for you to get out there and start your home buying process. If you enjoyed any of the content in the video, or if you got anything new from this, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, or leave a comment if you have any questions left. That way we can continue making more videos like this.